Packing up there, getting ready to go, and I got a text message saying if I could bring some firewood home for a customer that's asked for firewood in the past. I just started to load up. It wants 2 cubic meters. This is my first firewood delivery of 2022. So obviously it's summer here in Australia. This guy is smart, you see. He's getting in early. He knows last year everyone ran out of firewood with all the COVID lockdown and working from home and things like that. People just burnt so much firewood last year compared to previous. So he's asked for a couple of cubes just to put into his shed. The part of my wood pile did fall down a little while ago. Just the bit where it didn't stack it too good as it transitions into all the kindling pile. So I'll load up a lot of this stuff that's already on the floor rather than stacking it again, and then I'll fill up this trailer with the rest of maybe that face, and that should do it. Right, let's get this 2 cubes loaded. Okay, there it is, first load for 2022. Lost all of that face. It wasn't a full face anyway, it wasn't all the way to the top, and obviously part of it had fallen down, but right, hopefully that's a sign of things to come. We'll start getting a little bit more business. I do have a lot of wood that I've still got to collect. It's all been drying, it's all cut to length, sort of 2 or 3 meters long, just stacked up against trees. It's dotted all over the place, so I've got a lot of that I need to collect and get that booked up, and that stuff will actually be ready to burn straight away. We'll get this tarp on, take this back up the hill. I've got a couple of jobs to do in the shed, and then I'll head home, and tomorrow hopefully we'll deliver the first load for 2022. Right, thanks for watching, stay tuned, lots more videos like this coming up on the Rural Project.